At the sawmill, there's a lot that goes on. We bring in lumber or trees rather, and we mill them down to make boards. We do some of the scrap for people that for fencing. We take logs and make it into usable material.
A tree is harvested probably a year in advance to keep some stockpile in the yard.
We cut the trees out in the woods, and then we come in and skid them, limb them, deck them, and then we can normally get them on the sawmill within a day or two. So the whole process may be a week.